The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Alright, friend, let me ask you something. Do you have another song that you can play?
We have only one box, man.
Only one box?
Yeah.
Do you know that song that you're playing? Do you know what that song is?
I'm not from this country, man.
Alright, let me help you out. That song that you're playing is called Nigga Love a Watermelon. That song, listen to me.
No, this is just melody.
No, I need you to understand. That song came out in 1906.
Okay.
And it's a song about black people. It's a song that degrades black people. And what it says is,
This is an end already. We change next year.
I'm gonna sing it for you. This is what it says. It goes like this. It goes, listen to the hook. I want you to hear the hook, okay? Listen, it goes, nigga love a watermelon, ha 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 ha. Listen, nigga love a watermelon, ha 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 ha. I'm telling you now.
Okay.
All right, so this is what I want you to do.
Next year.
I want you to talk to somebody to see if you can change the music,
Okay,
right?
change
And when you do it, $60? Okay, listen, when you do it, when you come back here, I'll buy $100 worth of ice cream from you, and we'll give it to the kids.
I'm running.
Sound good?
Okay.
My friend, thank you.
I changed. Okay.
Thank you. Y'all gotta understand, if y'all don't take control of y'all neighborhood, this is what'll happen. Now, this is what's gonna happen. When he come back through here, if he playing that song, when he come back through here, then we're gonna take it to the town and we're gonna take legalities against it and make sure that no ice cream trucks in America is playing this song, because they shouldn't be anyway. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that regardless. And then when he come back here, hopefully he's not playing that. We can give him $100 so we can, you know what I'm saying, get some ice cream for the kids. But let me tell you something. Stop letting these motherfuckers come in your neighborhood and play nigga love a watermelon as they selling your kids ice cream, okay? Because it's degrading. They don't even know. You see what I'm saying? He just think he doing his job. But he's out here playing a song that is totally degrading. This is a primarily minority neighborhood. This is nothing but what they call niggas. You see what I'm saying? And he out here playing nigga love a watermelon all goddamn day, selling ice cream to kids. Like, nah, we're not doing that no more. All of see stuff like that you can't put up with when you woke. You can't just let people just come down here and do that to you and act like you don't hear it. This is the things that we're talking about being the change that you want to see. Okay, so I'm gonna give him 24 hours to figure out where he gonna get $60 to play the right music or play some different music on his ice cream truck, or we're gonna make sure that no ice cream trucks in America is gonna be able to do that. That's how we're gonna handle that. And if you hear this song playing in your neighborhood, you need to do the same thing in your community. Otherwise, you playing yourself, and you shouldn't even be calling yourself black or anything, African, whatever, indigenous, whatever, because they're making fun of all you. You're all niggas to them. So do something about that. All right? Assalamu alaikum. Shalom. Imhotep. Peace. Uncle Mayat.
Now, viewers and subscribers, what I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, is a video that shows of a man trying to explain to another man that is in the ice cream truck selling ice cream, trying to let him know that the sound that is coming from the ice cream truck are, as he would call it, the song, that song is from a song that was made sometime in the past, right? And that song that was made in the past is considered to be degrading to African descendants, or as he says, black people, you know. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is all new to me, viewers and subscribers. It's the first I'm ever hearing anything like this. I don't know if this is true or if it is not true, viewers and subscribers, right? I am surprised when I hear something like this, you know. And the reason why I bring this to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because this video is out on social media, and some people are saying that what the man had said about the song that was in the ice cream truck, some people are saying that what the man had said is true, and some people are saying that it is not true, viewers and subscribers. All right, with what the man had said about the sound that is coming from the ice cream truck, or the song as he would call it that is coming from the ice cream truck, saying that it is from a song that was made sometime back in the past that is degrading to African descendants, you know what I mean? Is it true or is it not true with what the man had said towards the song, or should I say the sound that is played in the ice cream truck. Alright, let me know what you think about something like this. Alright, viewers and subscribers, I don't know me, Dancehall Skilla there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?